The Swaziland Consumer Forum has advised members of the public to be vigilant this festive season when they purchase commodities, taking note particularly on such details as the expiry dates, amongst other things. We have a report.
Since the festive season is here, a lot is happening which has to do with spending money. People are moving up and down, doing their shopping, and shops have lowered their prices to attract more customers. The Consumers Association has warned consumers against a lot of things this festive. The chairperson of the association, Mandla Njagala, has revealed that consumers should be careful when buying things this festive season.
As a consumer forum, we would like to give some advice to all of you consumers. The first one is that whenever you are buying a product, more especially food products, make sure that you look at the expiry date and ensure that the food is within the expiry limit. Another issue which you have to look at as consumers is that whenever you are buying electrical appliances, please make sure that you contact those people where you are buying before paying them so that they can test to ensure that it's working. Keep the receipt whenever you are buying, because that receipt might assist you whenever that product you have bought you are not comfortable with. Another issue, as we approach our Christmas holidays, make sure that you don't carry a lump sum of money around town. Do not use your money wisely, because as we approach the festive season, we are well aware that next year, January, we'll be encountering school fees problems. So let's save for that school fees problem.
Municipalities and town councils are also part of this battle. The Chief Executive Officer of the Municipal Council of Matapa, Qiniwe Fagutse, says this does not mean that they sit quietly and watch the other days, but they have seen it wiser to preach harder this festive season.
We've been noticing the growth in knowledge on both the part of the business persons and the part of the customer, and we really appreciate that, because we have since come to realize that a better lesson for a business person is a customer that is not happy about a product. So that is the first thing we are trying to emphasize to the citizens, that if the citizen is informed and he walks into a food outlet, a restaurant, and he sees a grading D, and he complains and walks out and doesn't buy in an outlet that has a grading D, it teaches the business person to try and improve and move from a D towards an A. Because the food grading program that we have in local authorities is one, yes, it's a tool that the local authority uses to help food outlets to make sure that they comply in terms of food handling and food preparation, food storage, in terms holistically, really. So when we go for a grading of a food outlet, we look at the source of the food, where the food is stored, how the food is prepared, the kitchen, the people that work, how knowledgeable are they, how is their service.
Fagutse says every Swazi is responsible in making sure that stores and restaurants sell good food. Polila Mazia Mbonga Dube reporting for Swazi TV News, Matapa.